I'm John Bauer with Vertinia, and I'm going to show you how to turn your QuickBooks invoices into projects in Monday while tracking the invoice status right on your projects board. Here I've already installed and set up the QuickBooks Complete app from the Monday Marketplace, and I've synced my invoices to a Monday board. So if I look at my Monday board here, I have an item for every invoice in QuickBooks, and as new invoices are created, new rows will be created here in the invoices board. I also have my customer projects board. This is the custom board I've set up. You can put any columns in here you want. The important thing we're going to do is add a new column that's going to be a connect boards column. And we want to connect that to our invoices board. I'm going to go ahead and create a mirror column too, to mirror the invoice status on my project board. Now that that's set up, what I want to do is I want to create a new project here every time a new invoice is created in QuickBooks. So we'll go back to my invoices board and set up a new automation. We'll just search for another board, and this is the one I want. When an item is created in this board, create an item in another board and connect them in the selected board. So we use that template. When we create an item in the invoices board, we want to go ahead and create a new item in the customer projects board. And we want to connect them using that invoices column we set up. Here we can set up other mapping for the board. The only thing I'm going to change is the name of the project. I want that to come from the customer name on my invoice. So we'll click Done and create that automation. Now we'll go over to QuickBooks and create a new invoice. So let's create a new one for Bill's Windsurf Shop. We'll go ahead and give them some concrete and save that. And now that will automatically sync and create a new record here over in my invoices board, which will trigger the automation and create a new active project in my projects board. And here you can see that that invoice is currently unpaid. Because we sync all of the updates in QuickBooks, I can go back to QuickBooks now and receive that payment. So we'll record and close that invoice. That'll automatically be updated. And now we can see that the invoice is paid on the project and proceed to the next step of the project. This is just one of many ways QuickBooks Complete can improve your workflow. Find us in the Monday Marketplace and start your free trial today.